Thomas Ellison was born at Otago. When Tom was 14, his cousin brought a rugby ball to the Kāik and his love of the game began. He earned a scholarship to Te Aute College in Hawke's Bay, and it was there in the first 15 that his rugby career really kicked off. After college, he worked for Wellington law firm Brandon, Hislop and Johnston and played rugby for Pitoone and the Wellington rep side. Tom was selected to tour Australia and Great Britain with the New Zealand native football team. The tour lasted 54 weeks, 16 of those were spent at sea, and during the long voyage, the players kept fit by stoking the ship's engines. Tom was named captain of the first official New Zealand rugby team, and it was Tom who introduced the iconic black jersey with the silver fern. After his playing days, Tom went on to referee, coach and write one of New Zealand's earliest rugby manuals, The Art of Rugby Football, a book that changed the game. Tom distinguished himself in the legal profession as well as on the footy field. He was one of the first Māori admitted to the bar, and he worked tirelessly in the native land court and on the Ngāi Tahu land claims. Tragically, he died at just 36. On the way to Karori Cemetery, his body was claimed by his whānau at Porirua railway station, and Tom was taken home and buried in the Urupa at Otago. Sports journalist Charles Master wrote, "In the scroll of fame of the greatest in our national game, the name of the player who has finally crossed the line and sleeps at the Kāik, Otago Heads, Tamati Erihana, stands among the highest.